Hello everyone, in this video we will be learning a short trick to do decimal division by cancellation. I will be solving 3 examples in this video. In our first example, we have 0.038 divided by 0.2. Dividing these numbers would be very easy when there is no decimal point. So first step we are going to do here is to remove this decimal point. So here in our first dividend 0.038, to remove the decimal point we should multiply this number by 1000 as there are 3 digits after the decimal point. We will multiply it by 1000. And now as we are multiplying it by 1000, we have to divide it by 1002 to make the value unchanged. Similar step we will do it to our divisor. Here in our divisor, there is only one digit after the decimal point. So we have to multiply it by 10 to remove the decimal. And as we are multiplying it by 10, we have to divide it by 10 too. Now this completes our first step. Now the next step is, now we will write these two numbers without the decimal point. So our numerator here is 0038, or we can write it as 38. So this will become 38 over 1000 divided by, here the number will become 2 over 10. This decimal problem is now reduced to a fraction division problem, and that can be solved easily. So for that, this will become 38 over 1000 times 10 over 2, cause in fraction division we take the reciprocal of the divisor and replace the division sign by multiplication sign. Now we can cancel these numbers easily. This 0 gets cancelled with this 0, and 2 times 1, and this will become 2 times 1 and 2 times 9. So our answer will be 19 over 100, and this can be done orally as there are 2 zeros in the denominator. So our decimal will be 2 digits to the left. So our answer will be 0.19. So this is our final answer. Now let's solve the second example. We'll follow the similar steps here. Our first step is to remove the decimal point. So there are two digits after the decimal point. So we should multiply it by 100 to remove the decimal point. And as we are multiplying it by 100, we have to divide it by 100 too. And here, as there is one digit after the decimal, so we have to multiply and divide it by 10. Our question will become, this decimal point is removed. So this will be 3065 over 100. And divided by 15 over 10. Now we can do the fraction division as 3065 over 100 times 10 over 15. So this 0 gets cancelled with this 0. And here we can read 15 table. So 15 and 3065. So these two have common factor of 5. So 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 and then 5 times 3. So this comes out to be 613 over 3. 613 over 3 can be solved easily, and our answer is 204.3. So now let's move on to our next example, which is 15.625 divided by 0.025. So here, as there are 3 digits after the decimal point, so to remove this decimal, we have to multiply this number by 1000. So as we are multiplying, we have to divide the number by 1000 too. And 0.025 is also having 3 digits after the decimal, so we have to multiply and divide this 2 by 1000. These two gets multiplied and our number is now 15,625 divided by 1000 divided by 25 over 1000. This can be solved as a fraction division. So this will become 15,625 over 1000 times, we have to take the reciprocal of this number, so this will be 1000 over 25. So these two thousands get cancelled and we are left with 15,625 over 25. So 5 is a common factor here, so 5 times 5 and 5 times 3, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 5. So this comes out to be 3,125 over 5. This can be further reduced to 5 times 6, 5 times 2 and 5 times 5. So this comes out to be 625. This is our final answer. So this is how you can do decimal division by using cancellation method. You can make the problem very easy to solve by using this short trick, and I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.